Don't apply too much wax. Thick layers equals painful removal. You waste product too, just enough to coat the hairs. Think thin but even coverage. Invest in quality wax kits. Cheap wax equals more pain, less pull. Reviews matter. Read before you buy. Good wax saves skin and stress. Worth every penny if you're DIY. Know the warning signs of a bad reaction. Excessive swelling, blisters, pus equals stop. Could signal infection or allergy. Clean the area and apply antiseptic. Seek medical advice. Severe. Don't compare your results to pros. You're learning. It's okay to be imperfect. Professionals take years of training. DIY equals progress over perfection. Celebrate small wins. Celebrate the results. You did something bold and brave. Smooth skin is your reward. Feel empowered, confident, and accomplished. Self-care is powerful. Try the cold wax option if you fear heat. Cold wax strips require no heating. Less intimidating for beginners. Great for quick fixes or travel. Reduces risk of burns. Watch yourself in a mirror while waxing. Improves precision and direction. Helps you spot stray hairs instantly. Especially useful for hard-to-reach areas. Hands-free mirrors work best. Set the mood with music or a calm playlist. Reduces anxiety and makes it less awkward. Soothing music helps you relax. Light distraction minimizes focus on pain. Turn your bathroom into a mini spa. Avoid exercising right after waxing. Friction and sweat can irritate the skin. Delay workouts for 24 to 48 hours. Let your pores close and skin settle. Save your yoga session for later. Don't wax during your period. Skin sensitivity is higher. Pain threshold is lower. Bleeding and irritation more likely. Schedule around your cycle if possible. Always test wax temperature on your wrist first. Prevents burns on sensitive areas. Your wrist is a safe indicator zone. Wax should feel warm, never hot. Simple habit, major skin saver. Keep your legs slightly elevated. Improves blood flow and comfort. Reduces pressure on lower back. Helps you get better angles. More relaxed equals better results. Don't double dip the wax stick. Spreads bacteria from skin to wax. Use a fresh stick for each dip. Basic hygiene keeps skin healthy. A small effort that goes a long way. Expect a slight rash or redness, totally normal, especially for first-timers. Should fade within a few hours. Apply a soothing balm like aloe vera. Don't panic, your skin is just adjusting. Confidence grows with practice. Each session feels easier than the last. You'll master the angles and pressure. Soon, it becomes second nature. Celebrate every smooth win. Exfoliate gently 24 hours after waxing. Helps prevent ingrown hairs. Use a mild scrub or exfoliating glove. Avoid harsh products or acids. Encourages smooth, bump-free skin. Always pull skin taut before waxing. Reduces pain during hair removal. Prevents bruising or pinching. Thanks for tuning. Don't forget to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more. Don't pick at skin, let it heal naturally. No scratching. Use cold compress for irritation. Wear breathable cotton. Avoid working out after sweat can irritate skin. Wait 24 hours. No swimming, tanning, or tight jeans. Keep the area clean and dry. Ingrown hair prevention. Exfoliate 2 to 3 times a week after. Use glycolate or salicylic pads. Avoid shaving in between. Let skin breathe. Know when to quit. Pain too much. Stop. Skip if you're on meds like Accutane. Don't wax over moles or cuts. Listen to your body. Disinfect tools after use. Wash spatulas if reusable. Wipe tweezers with alcohol. Close wax container tightly. Keep supplies dry. Keep pets and kids out. Avoid distractions. Hot wax equals hazard. Maintain focus. Lock the door if needed. You will miss spots, it's okay. Touch up next day. Use tweezers sparingly. Perfection takes practice. Have a chill playlist distracts your brain. Lowers stress levels. Makes time fly. Bonus, you'll dance through the pain. Don't wax last minute before an event. Skin may be red or bumpy. Wax 2 to 3 days before. Allow recovery. Plan ahead. Talk to yourself. No. Really, encouragement boosts confidence. Say, I got this. Out loud. Laugh at yourself. Helps keep calm. It gets easier each time. Hair thins with time. You get better at technique. Pain reduces. Confidence grows. Budget bonus. 1 kit equals multiple sessions. Save salon money. Wax kits cost less than 1 pro session. economical and empowering. Expect a little wetness. Lasts a few hours. Use cold packs if needed. Avoid touching. Stay cool literally and emotionally. Clean up properly. Use wax remover wipes. Dispose of strips and spatulas. Wash hands well. Keep your kit ready for next time. Would I do it again? Surprisingly, yes. It's a skill you build. Worth the effort. Just go slow and don't forget aloe. Do it when you have time. Waxing needs patience, not a rush job. Set aside at least an hour for your first time. Rushing equals mess plus pain plus missed patches. Cog energy equals better results. Practice on less sensitive areas first. Try waxing your arms or legs first. Builds confidence before the Brazilian. You'll get used to pulling technique. Less risk of injury or shock. Consider doing half today, half tomorrow. You don't have to finish all at once. Breaks reduce irritation and overwhelm. Schedule it like 2 mini sessions. Avoid burnout. Yes, wax burnout is real. Don't wax over sunburned skin. Burned skin is fragile and highly sensitive. Can lead to tearing and scabbing. Let your skin fully heal first. Apply SPF regularly if tanning beforehand. Make sure wax isn't expiring. Old wax loses grip. Can increase irritation. Check label for date and storage advice. Fresh wax equals better results. Never use body wax on face or brows. Formulations differ by body part. Brazilian wax is for coarse hair only. Face needs gentler formulas. Don't mix them up heavily. Invest in quality wax kit. Cheap wax equals more pain, less pull. I tried doing a Brazilian wax at home, just me, wax, and a whole lot of regret and lessons. Here are lessons I learned the hard way so you don't have to. Prep your skin first. Clean the area with mild soap. Tat completely dry. Moisture ruins wax grip. Exfoliate 24 hours before. Skip lotion or oil on waxing day. Trim the hair ideal length, about 1/4 inch. Too long, painful and messy. Too short, won't grip. Use clean scissors or bikini trimmer. Choose the right wax. Hard wax for Brazilian, soft wax is too harsh here. Look for sensitive skin on label. Patch test first. Apply a small amount to your inner thigh. Wait 24 hours, check for redness or bumps. Keep the wax correctly. Follow time instructions. Stir well, it evens out the heat. Test on your wrist first. Too hot, let it cool before applying. Set up your wax zone. Mirror, towel, wax kit, and wipes nearby. Good lighting is a must. Lay down something disposable. Tie your hair up, it gets in the way. Know your pain threshold. Wax in the evening when relaxed. Avoid during your period. More sensitive. Take deep breaths. Distract yourself with music or podcast. Apply wax in sections. Divide into upper, middle, and sides. Work one small zone at a time. Don't rush. Waxing big areas equals major regret. Always pull skin taut. Use your free hand to stretch skin. Prevents bruising and rips. Helps wax adhere better. Less painful. Pull quickly, not slowly. Rip it like a band-aid. Pull parallel, not upward. Hesitating makes it worse. Breathe out as you pull. Use the wax tab trick. Leave a tab edge to grip. Don't smear wax too thin. Tab makes removal easier. Avoid using your fingernails to dig it out. Avoid double dipping. Use a fresh stick each time. Bacteria spreads fast. Keep it hygienic. Don't contaminate your wax pot. Watch the hair direction and apply wax with hair growth. Pull wax against it. Know which way each zone grows. Reduces broken hairs. Use numbing cream optional. Apply 30 minutes before. Wipe off before waxing. Choose lidocaine-based products. Don't overdo it. Still feel enough. Use cornstarch or baby powder. Absorbs sweat and oil. Makes wax grit better. Prevents sticking to skin. Light dusting is enough. Have Aftercare ready. Aloe vera gel for soothing. Witch hazel for redness. Tea tree oil for bumps. Avoid alcohol-based lotions. Don't overwork the skin. Max 2 passes per area. Use tweezers for strays. Don't wax broken skin. Allow healing before retrying. Expect some pain. It's normal to wince. Gets easier over time. First time is worst. Keep going, you'll survive. Take breaks. Don't rush the whole process. Sit and relax between sections. Hydrate or snack. Helps with pain and mindset. Use a mirror strategically. Hand mirror helps with angles. Position under your legs. Don't wax blind. Check each section for leftover hair. Don't pick at skin. Let it heal naturally. No scratching. Use cold compress for irritation, or breathable cotton.